Excuse me.
Yes.
What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I mean, obviously, the big news this week is going to be the RBA that are meeting tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see. There's predictions that those interest rates could come down as much as 0.5. I think they're probably going to come down by 0.25, but we're seeing moderate growth in the marketplace, and those stock levels are still staying relatively low. So very good buying opportunity. Either way, don't hold off, guys. I'm hearing a lot of sellers saying I'm going to wait till spring to launch. That's what everyone's saying. You want to sell in isolation, not in competition. Now's a really good time to get your property on the market. Don't do what everyone else is doing.
Boom.
Yes.
What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
A lot of activity, particularly across the apartment market. At a property where we're double figures coming through the open home, and I know my colleague Glenn had 3 apartments open, 40 buyers through those 3 apartments. So looks like it's heating up. I think we're coming out of the recovery market into the start of the growth market.
Buddy, what's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
5% more stock after the election. However, with interest rates hopefully coming down tomorrow, you're going to find days on market tighten up and stock will move 2 to 3 weeks.
Boom. Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I'm not ready. Come back to me.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I think now with the anticipated rate cuts, we are seeing a bit more investors out in the market. I have a few phone calls from investors. Hey, do you have anything good with good rental yield? Because the investors are getting out there. Because once the rates are cut, there'll be a lot of competition, so they want to get in early.
Oh. Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
The property market is doing really well at the moment. We're seeing lots of buyers coming through over the weekend. It was a little bit slower on the Sunday than what it has been, but I think that's due to the weather. We're seeing some interested parties over the weekend, so we'll be keen to see what happens over the next couple of weeks.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Property market, I've looked and seen that there's 547 auctions in Sydney coming this week, which is down from the last couple of weeks. There's been 19 open homes from Novak on Saturday, 5 of which had 10 plus groups, and that's sitting in between the 2.5, so up to $2.5 million price point. So there's lots of buyers looking for that low to mid range stock.
What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Hang on. I don't think.
Jesus.
Okay. We're seeing a lot of approvals go through, but developers being quite cautious about when they're going to do construction. So we're seeing a lot less of new supply. So there's been, I don't know where to go with that. Hang on, give me a second. I should go with that one.
Struggle. So there you go, guys and girls. That is the property market in 15 seconds. Very interesting with the rates coming down tomorrow. So that's going to be great news. And you can see with what the team's saying, it's just bobbing along. I'd say it's a well-balanced market, not firing all cylinders, but definitely that rental market is firing all cylinders. Those rents are going bananas.